Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Oral-B brush heads. So this one is a original Oral-B. It's compatible to Oral-B electric toothbrush. So just like this. Okay. So I'll just open this now. So there's a tape at the bottom. So basically they are all the same, so with different colors. Okay, so there's like a identification color, the different colors each. So this one is compatible with these. So let's try one. Let's open one. Probably I try the blue one. So probably this part. Probably this. Okay. Then have it here. So try placing this one. So for indication, blue. Then you can try to fit here. So you notice that this is not really flat. There's a shape there with different color. Then I think for 3 months it will change its color while using it. Okay, try the other one. So basically it's just the same end. Then all good. So that's it. Thank you for watching.